Welcome one, welcome all. I am Mark Palda, a professional photographer. I have been in the photography business for well over 20 years. I want to help you succeed so you can earn money with your camera. With every episode, I will offer you sound advice so you can be part of the 15% of aspiring photographers who succeed. If you are looking for help to turn your passion for photography into a successful business, you have come to the right place. I have got the answers. My weekly episodes will help you understand how to market yourself, how to build a profitable business, and best business practices. No more feeling lost. You do not have to go it alone. Join my audio podcast and start taking my advice on turning your hobby into a profitable business. You will get access to a professional photographer and the best practices that I have learned and experienced over the years. If you have questions along the way, definitely email me. mark@markpalda.com. You are also invited to join my photography success text community. Send me a text. 915-226-0959. If you are outside the United States, be sure to include +1, the United States country code. Let's get started. Building an email list is important to the success of your photography business. Important is probably an understatement, it is paramount to your success. Building an email list is one of the most important tasks you should undertake. It is crucial work, where progress is measured by the number of email subscribers you collect. The only problem is, that number starts off incredibly small, and oftentimes, zero. When you first launch your photography site or blog, you might only have 1 or 2 email subscribers, besides the 4 different email addresses you use to sign up yourself. This makes it difficult to get traction, but, on a deeper level, it is also incredibly disheartening. Every time you create a new collection of photographs, or write a piece of content, for your blog, you know that very few people are going to read it. So subconsciously, you may be holding back, and not creating your best work. Consider this: if you knew that your next blog post would be read by 10,000 people, would you put any extra effort into your writing process this week? When you are just getting started, momentum is critical. You need to collect a group of highly engaged email subscribers, and get your first 100 subscribers right away. 100 is not a magic number, but it is a good one. You could tell a group of 10 people the same things you would write in a blog post, but it is rare you get an audience of 100 or more. Yes, you need some kind of opt-in form on your website, but your first 100 subscribers can come quickly, if you get right to the work by picking up the phone to contact people the old-fashioned way. With each conversation, you get a chance to refine the reason you are in business, or the benefits you offer clients. You also learn what resonates with real people live, whether you are talking in person, on the phone, or via text. While it is important to attract your target clients, your first email subscribers do not have to be within your niche, at all. When you are building momentum, you should start by getting close friends, or family, to join your email list. Even if they are not your target customers, they likely know people who would benefit from your content, and because they know, like, and trust you, they will share your content when they get the chance. In fact, ask them to share your content. This group of initial subscribers should be filled with people who want to see you succeed, and will cheer you on, or hit share. After that, you should be contacting people you want as clients directly. If you are entrenched in your photography business, you may have a list of clients, colleagues, or other contacts who would be interested in your content or service. If not, there are plenty of people out there. You just have to find them and contact them, where they already live online. Here is how to try this yourself. Make a list of 10 people who you know would be interested in the photography service, and/or your photography, no matter what niche you are in. Add to that list 10 people who you know are working in the same field of photography, or following the topic you cover. Text, call, or email each of those people individually. Let them know what you are creating, and ask if they would like you to follow along with email updates. Once you have finished that list, repeat steps 1 to 3. And soon, you will have the growing email list you need to succeed. A genuine thank you for joining me today for this episode. If you are serious about success in the photography business, then I am serious and ready to help. Visit markpaldamentor.com and discover a variety of ways I can help you in your journey. If you have questions along the way, definitely email me. mark@markpalda.com. You are also invited to join my photography success text community. Send me a text. 915-226-0959. If you are outside the United States, be sure to include +1, the United States country code. I will catch you in the next episode.